Allie Denton's Unit 5 Test Correction video. The first layer of the atmosphere is the troposphere. This is where we live and weather occurs. It contains most of the atmosphere's mass. The second layer is the stratosphere, which is above the troposphere and contains ozone. The third layer is the mesosphere. It's the coldest layer. The fourth layer is the thermosphere. The temperature continues to rise, but this is the hottest layer. The main sources of outdoor air pollution are transportation and industry. Some reasons for the decline in the U.S. pollution would be cleaner burning vehicles and catalytic converters, which decrease the carbon monoxide. Permit trading programs in clean coal technologies reduce the SO2 emissions. Scrubbers remove pollutants before they leave the smokestacks and phase out leaded gasoline. Smog is the combination of smoke and fog. Industrial smog comes from fossil fuels, and photochemical smog comes from sunlight and pollutants. Photochemical smog, also known as brown smog, is caused by the UV reacting with chemicals found in modern cities, especially in warm, sunny areas in developed countries. In this picture, you can see the difference between photochemical smog and a clean condition in a city. Outdoor air pollutants conclude of VOx, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, suspended particulate matter, lead, nitrous oxide, and ozone. VOx are a primary pollutant that stands for volatile organic compounds. The VOx affect eyes and respiratory irritants. It's a carcinogen. It affects the liver, the CNS, or kidney damage, and damages plants. Sources come from evaporation of solvents or fuels, fossil fuels, plants, aerosols, paint thinners, and dry cleaning. The ozone layer prevents the UVB radiation from reaching the Earth. It's found in the stratosphere. UVA has the lowest energy, the lowest potential for harming life, and it's not absorbed by the ozone layer. UVC is the highest energy. It breaks down oxygen molecules and absorbs by oxygen in the atmosphere. Chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFCs, is used as a refrigerant, a solvent, propellants, and insulating packing materials. It's considered a dream chemical with no adverse human or environmental effects. The only problem is that it's ineffective in the troposphere, but in the stratosphere it reacts with the UV radiation and has a lifetime of 100 years. The UV radiation allows for the breaking off of a chlorine atom, and the chlorine reacts with the ozone. It's not stable and continues in a loop. Some effects are that higher amounts of UV rays reach planet Earth. It causes an increase of skin cancer, cataracts, and a decreased immune system. It also causes a decrease in phytoplankton growth and other plants' growth.